After what feels like countless vlogs about our roof, from finding out that it was leaking to the demolition to the sheathing and now the metal and the ridge cap. Finally, let's get this thing done. Don't you agree, Seffi? Should we get this thing done? Yes! Hey guys, my name's James.
And I'm Ashley.
After selling our house and traveling the country for years, we decided to build an RV home base to come back to.
Hi, I'm Goose. I'm Ashley.
Join us! So I'm going through and marking where we're going to be doing all of our screw placements, because I'm going to actually pre-drill them on the floor here as a smaller gauge than the screw itself, so that way it does have a snug fit. But by pre-drilling like that and measuring it out, it'll make it be a perfectly uniform line when we get them up there, as opposed to getting on the roof and trying to screw them all and get it all lined up. By pre-drilling it, it will make it a perfect straight line exactly where we want it, so that way when you see it from the road or the side, because you do see the top of our house pretty easily, it'll look uniform and nice. Plus, it just makes it much easier having the holes pre-drilled, because then you can just quickly pop them in, as opposed to having to penetrate the metal with the screw itself. So not only for ease of installation, but for prettiness down the road, I'm getting all this marked out. Okay, I want to take a quick pause before I go ahead and start the drilling. I've got everything marked out, but the UPS guy just showed up. Not just normal UPS, the UPS freight, because we have a really exciting shipment coming in today. Something Ashley has been looking forward to for months. So excited for that. Our ductless mini splits have come in. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. We will talk about air conditioning and heating and how we're going to be dealing with that in another video, but I just had to pause and show my excitement and thankfulness for the UPS man. Whew. We're gonna get air. That's gonna be a milestone right there, when we can actually get the inside of our new house to be air conditioned and or heated. Currently is what we need, since it's like 32 degrees out. That's gonna be big. Okay, anyways, enough about air conditioning. Let's get back to pre-drilling our roofing, because before we can install air conditioning, we should probably have it, you know, be dried in. Oh, and Ash is back. Ashley's back. Okay, I lied. We're not gonna start the roofing. We're gonna show Ashley our air conditioning unit, because I bet she's gonna be super excited about it. She might even squeal. Look what's here!
Oh my gosh.
See it?
Humongo. Good golly. That's a lot of duty.
I told him you'd probably be excited about it.
It's amazing. Are you kidding? It means heat.
And air conditioning. Don't you want the air conditioning right now?
Yeah. Totes. Oh my gosh. So you gonna do that tomorrow while it snows?
Totally. Yeah. It'll be done by the end of the day.
Yes. That's
all right. Did you get the stuff? Did you get the good stuff?
I got the goods.
Oh, you got coffee too. Wow.
Dude.
Where did you go? That's a new coffee shop.
Oh, it's the Rooster Brew.
Oh, fancy. That's not why she went into town. Why'd you go into town? For a little tiny bag. You drove an hour for that. That's the problem with living out in the country. Cutting wheels.
I'm gonna do some cutting.
All right. I'm gonna have some coffee and drill some holes. Okay, for real. So now back to pre-drilling our sheet metal. So the way you drill these holes is on the edge, you're gonna have more screws than you will in the middle because of updraft from winds and whatnot to keep it from ripping out. So here I literally gotta do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws across this front part. And then in the middle, I think it'll be only like 4 or 5 screws. So I'm very interested because this is probably like an 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch of solid steel when you pile them all up. I have no idea how well this drill is gonna work. Fingers crossed. Right on my line, dead center. Start drilling.
My future staring right in front of me. I used to lay low, thought I could make it on my own. Back, take me back.
All right, now I just gotta repeat that process 1, 2, 3, 4 more times.
If you feel alright, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up high. If you lost your shine, keep your head up. Keep your head up. Keep your head up high. I wanna do something great. I wanna take off and fly. Climb every mountain, touch the sky. If you feel alright, put your hands up. Put your hands
Hey kids, how we doing?
Oh, wow.
Hey, we lifting metal?
1, 2, 3.
So, what do you want me to do, bud?
Do you want us to keep getting them?
Yeah, if you guys want to start bringing it up.
Do you want them at, how many do you want stacked right here, or do you want it to actually just go up?
I mean, if you guys want to bring, if you get more than 3 or 4 ahead of me, you could come up, but I'm gonna try and keep the mud off the roof.
Okay.
If you feel alright, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up high. If you lost your shine, keep your head up. Keep your head up. Keep your head up high. I wanna do something great. I wanna take off and fly. Climb every mountain, touch the sky. If you feel alright, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up high.
Man, so hot.
Thank you. All right. So,
I wanna be something better.
When the sun set that night, the temperatures dropped. That's when the snowstorm hit. And we got over 18 inches of snow that week. And while the girls were so excited for a snow day, we were a little bummed that we weren't able to complete the roof. But that doesn't stop us from having so much fun in the snow. I love snow days with my girls. And James, he's okay too. Persephone makes it pretty awesome.
Climb every mountain, touch the sky. If you feel alright, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up high.
Hey guys, it's Ashley and I am so excited to introduce to you the Set Power Mobile Deep Freezer. I've been dying to open this package up ever since it got here. And so I'm excited to show you. And then I'm excited to use it. I can't wait till we get back on the road and I can test this puppy out because we're gonna stick it in the underpass where I can plug it into just our normal outlet, or if I need to, I can plug it into a 12-volt cigarette lighter. This is going to allow me to go to the big box stores, get what I need, and not have to Tetris all of my things in the tiny little freezers that all, well not all, but most RVs have. And the reason I'm excited for the current situation we're in, which is rebuilding our home, is it can be used as a cooler when we go to the lake. And then also in the winter, I am able to use this as a freezer so that I can get all the things that I need when I can't make that half-hour trip into town because we are stuck in the 3 or 4 feet of snow that we can potentially get here.
couple weeks later, enough of the snow had melted that we felt comfortable getting back up on the roof and finishing the job we started. Unfortunately, since we weren't able to get the ridge cap on the week before, a lot of that snow melt got underneath the panels and we had to do our best to dry out the panels and dry out the edges before we could move on to the next step.
James is up on the roof. You can't see. I tried. I gave it a good go. And I was up on the roof the last time, but that was when we had like the grippy mat of the vapor barrier. And I don't know. I got up there and I panicked. So I'm gonna try and calm myself down right now. I'm not gonna lie, like I panicked. Gonna try and calm myself down, and then I'll try again because I know that he needs help. Like, so we are putting down, I don't know, some sort of sticky tape in between the pieces, which I guess makes sense. I just wish that we didn't have to. Yeah, I don't know. Like, all honesty, my uncle fell off one of these roofs. And that is actually how he passed away. So, you know, that kind of goes through my head as I'm standing up on top of a house on really slick roofing. And I really don't like my husband up there. But, like I said, I'm going to try and compose myself. I'm going to try and get up there so that we can put this sticky, gluey stuff in between it, and then put the rest of the nails or screws or whatever through the little holes we have and get the bridge cap on so that way we can just be done. Like, just done.
Brighter, I wanna burn a little bit brighter. I wanna stand a little bit taller. Got my head in the clouds, I'm lost in the sound. I won't look back, no, I'll stare down the sun. Gonna stand my ground till the good days come. We're dreaming but we're wide awake. Yeah, I know that we'll be okay. Roll with me, let's get away. Yeah, I know that we'll be okay. Tell me, is there anybody here for me? 'Cause I'm tired of feeling so empty. Got my feet on the ground, trying to find my way out. I won't look back, got this fire in my blood. You can count on me, let the good days come on. We're dreaming but we're wide awake. Yeah, I know that we'll be okay. Roll with me, let's get away. Yeah, I know that we'll be okay. There's no going under, heartbeat like thunder. Yeah, I know that we'll be okay. Don't wanna wake up, see what I'm made of. Yeah, I know that we'll be okay. I won't look back, no, I'll stare down the sun. Gonna stand my ground till the good days come. We're dreaming but we're wide awake. Yeah, I know that we'll be okay. Roll with me, let's get away. Yeah, I know that we'll be okay. Yeah, I know that we'll be okay. Yeah, I know that we'll be okay.
One of my favorite things is driving over the Mount Hood Pass and just seeing snow falling off the trees. It's beautiful. And now I get to experience that from our backyard, which is a pretty cool thing. Did you get a bloody nose?
It's a bud.
Oh, what is it?
That stuff.
Oh, I thought it was a bloody nose, but it's raspberry flavoring.